Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of simple present tense and present continuous tense. Well, simple present tense describes an action which happens every day or all the time. But present continuous tense describes an action that goes on now or all the time. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Now, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. I'm looking out of my window. I can see some children in the street. The children are playing football. They always play football in the street. Now, a little boy is kicking a ball. Another boy is running after him, but he cannot reach him. Well, do you still remember the story? I'm going to ask you some questions about it, so you should listen again and repeat after me and try to memorize it, and you should also try to retell it. Now listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. I'm looking out of my window. I can see some children in the street. The children are playing football. They play football in the street. They always play football in the street, Now, a little boy is kicking a ball. Another boy is running after him, but he cannot reach him. Well, do you still remember the story? Can you retell the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Are the children playing football in the street? Question number 2. Do they always play football in the street? Is a little boy kicking a ball now? Is another boy running after him? Can he reach him? Now, what about you? Are you playing football now? Are you watching a video? What are you doing? Well, next question. Do you play football? Do you play golf? Do you play badminton? Well, what sport do you play? Well, you should have partners to practice your English and reproduce conversation like this. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.